yes, it's me, Septic May. Oh yes, I'm looking into my crystal ball. Yes, it's the big 2 on Saturday at the Oval, Linfield and Glentoran. Oh, I'm just feeling this here. It just reminds me of, whose head is it? Jeffrey's head, or is it Coiler's head? Doesn't matter, it's just the same as them two. Soft, nothing in it. Oh yes, I think I look at the tarot cards. What have we got here? Strength, that's Glentoran. A cup, is this the Gibson Cup? Where is it going? Oh, swords, there's 2 of them. 2 and a 5, would that be a result? 2-5 to Glentoran, that would mean 5-2 to Linfield because they're the home team. Oh, snap! Oh, excuse me. Oh, and look at this. My cup that tells the future. Have a look at that. Isn't it? No tea in it. Excuse me, love. Can put me drop of tea in that there. 1 sugar, that's a girl. But now, back to the match. Oh yes, I can see it all happening now, right in front of my eyes. Who's that? Is that young Chris Morgan? He's crossed it over. He has scored a beautiful... He's got... No, Linfield. Oh no, this is from years ago. Sorry about that. Oh look, and it's Winky. Oh, Winky. Oh, as a stalwart at the back of that defence. He is drop dead gorgeous. Wonder why they call him Winky. Funny eye or something. Yes. Oh yes, I know what way this result's going to go. It's going to be Glentoran against Linfield. Oh no, I couldn't possibly tell you. I'm going to have to sit in the fence here. Speaking of which, I think it was Skelf. Anyway, yes, it's going to be a great match. You're going to love it. 2 of the key figures in Saturday's match could be the goalkeepers. Morris and Manus. Not matter, you could beat any of 2 of them from 40 yards with a beach ball. The match is over. They're back in their respective dressing rooms. Oh, one side is totally down, the other side is they're very happy. Oh, here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, they're all going into the shower. I'll have to leave you now. Night, night.